There is a wealth of information hidden in call and usage records. TeleLink helps you unlock the full power of that data. As a multifaceted application, TeleLink solves many telecom revenue and business challenges, including mediation, routing assurance, bill validation, quality of service measurements, traffic analysis, compliance reporting, and so much more. I'm Equinox CEO Byron Middendorf, and I invite you to Nashville for the totally revamped TeleLink User Group meeting this spring. Every minute of this conference is designed to help you achieve maximum benefit from your TeleLink installation. In fact, we're so serious about this mission that we are hosting this event at no cost to you. Just visit our website to register. Please come meet the Equinox support team. Go on a total system tour with the TeleLink developers, network with industry experts, get your training questions answered, and give input for TeleLink's future enhancements. We'll see you in April.